Hi guys! Are you a beginner 3D artist? Would you like to create a stylized game character from scratch? If that is the case, then I welcome you to Nexttuts Education's Beginner's Guide to Stylized Character Creation for Games. My name is Abraham Leal, I'm a 3D artist and producer, and I have 8 years of experience in the industry. Currently, I lead my own studio, Critical Hit, where we design and produce projects for the entertainment industry. At the end of this course, you will be able to recreate a 3D character from a concept. You will understand all the necessary steps to create the anatomy, props, animation-ready topology, UVs, textures, and materials needed for a final professional stylized look. In this course, we will be covering Maya modeling, ZBrush sculpting, anatomy, retopology, UV mapping, texturing, and rendering with Marmoset toolbag. I will start the course by teaching you the basics of Maya and ZBrush. We will then jump into creating our high poly character, as well as all the props and weapons. We will then jump to Maya and retopologize everything to meet the game engine's guidelines. After that, we will texture our character in Substance Painter using several of my favorite techniques. To finalize, we will create a small scene using Marmoset to create our final renders. I have designed this course for beginner level students who want to learn the complete pipeline that we use to create a stylized character. However, if you already know the basics, I'm sure you can learn a lot of useful tips and tricks along the way. In this course, I will be using Maya, ZBrush, Substance Painter, Photoshop, and Marmoset toolbag, so be sure to have all of them installed to follow properly. Enroll now and take your 3D character skills to the next level.